Hello there! Today we're gonna unbox this D-Link N300 Wi-Fi range extender. Let's see what's inside. This D-Link can extend the range of your existing wireless network. It has signal strength indicator LEDs to help find the optimum location for installation. You can also use this as access point mode with Ethernet port. This is the N300 Wi-Fi range extender main unit. Inside the box, you can also find the Wi-Fi configuration card, warranty and safety information, quick installation guide, and GPL code statement. Now, we are going to set up the D-Link N300. First, we will try to set up using the WPS method. First step is to fully extend the antennas to provide optimal wireless coverage. Then plug it into the wall outlet and wait until the status light is blinking amber. Step 2. Push the WPS button on your source wireless router. Then push the WPS button on the D-Link extender. The status light will start flashing green. Wait for a few minutes for the process to finish. The status light will turn solid green when the extender unit has connected successfully. Step 3. Connect your clients to an extension network created by the D-Link extender. Please note that the password will be the same as the source wireless networks. And that's it. Now, we will try to set up using the QRS mobile app. First is to download the D-Link QRS mobile app. Next, connect your smartphone to the D-Link extender unit using the SSID and password information provided on the Wi-Fi configuration card. Then follow the in-app guide. Now we will set up using the web browser. First, connect your phone or desktop PC to the D-Link extender unit using the SSID and password information provided on the Wi-Fi configuration card. Now go to your browser and enter dlinkap.local. By default, the username is admin, and the password field should be left blank. Then follow the browser configuration guide. To reset your D-Link N300 Wi-Fi or range extender to factory default settings, ensure the product is powered on. Use a paperclip, press and hold the reset button on the side of the device for 5 seconds. Overall, this Wi-Fi extender is a great deal. You can buy this to their official store at Lazada for only 995 pesos. For more great products from D-Link, you can visit their website at www.dlink.com.ph. Please also check their official store at Lazada for more great deals and exciting offers. Check the links at the comments section.